Although the imperatives, the orders, the commands, they are two, but I am taking them to be one. Integral part. Just as I said, two sides of a picture. Sama, ta'a. Listen, obey. By listening, you know what Allah is demanding of you. Then obey it. So actually it becomes one organic whole. Listen and obey. What's the meaning? And this is a term of the Quran. Although these are the words of Arabic language, every term of the Quran is derived from some root of Arabic language. Iman from Aman, but Iman has a connotation of its own. Islam from Salama, Salam, but Islam means as a term, it has its own connotation. So actually, although all the words, all the terms, as you have, this is the case with all the sciences. The basic terminology of physics, the basic terminology of chemistry. The words are derived from the English language or the language in which it is being taught, but there are definite meanings added to those words, and then they become a term. So here it is fasma'u wa ati'u. It's not only words and imperatives, it's a term. That is why we find it 4 times in the Quran. If you want to note, Surah Al-Baqarah, ayah 285. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. Then you have it in Surah An-Nisa, ayah number 46. Then you have it in Surah Al-Ma'idah, ayah number 7. Is qultum sami'na wa ta'na. Now remember when you said, we have listened and we have accepted and obeyed. Surah Taslim Kham. We surrender ourselves. Then again Surah An-Nur, ayah 51. Sami'na wa ta'na. Now this sam'ata, this is one term. And actually it denotes to the army discipline. The proverbial discipline of the army. What is it? Listen and obey. No questioning. No arguments. If you know in an army, a subordinate, when he has been given some command, he demands from his superior, please let me know what's the wisdom behind this order of yours. Why are you giving this commandment to me? That is not an army. This can happen in some social organization. This can happen in some civil association. Not in an army. Listen and obey. And there's a very famous, poem of English language which I read in my high school days. I hope most of you must have read it. Charge of the Light Brigade. The command was given, charge the Light Brigade. And every soldier included in that brigade knew someone had blundered. A very wrong decision, wrong commandment. Why? Cannons to right of them, cannons to left of them, cannons in front of them. Volleyed and thundered. They were given the order to charge. They knew. The enemies have their cannons on the right side also. They have their cannons, the guns on the left side also. They have their cannons in front also. And all these cannons, they are thundering, bombing, they are shelling. And in this rain of shells, somebody has decided and given us the command, charge the Light Brigade. Someone has plundered. But there's not to reason why. There's but to do and die. So into the valley of death rode the 600. They have to go. It's the command. You can't question the wisdom or otherwise of the command. You can't say, first, tell us what's the wisdom, why you have given this command. Argue. No. This army discipline, listen to me, this is samata in the terminology of the Quran.